Hi there, students. Dyspathy or antipathy. This is the opposite of sympathy. Let's see, I think dyspathy is a fairly unusual word, whereas antipathy is less unusual. Okay, so if you feel dyspathy for somebody, you don't like them. Yeah, you feel angry. You just think that this person is unpleasant. Yeah, you don't get on with them. It's a strong feeling of dislike. Yeah, opposition or anger. So there was deep antipathy between the two of them. There was deep dyspathy between the two of them. Yeah, it was impossible for them to get on because of the dyspathy between them. He feels a lot of dyspathy against certain ethnic minorities, and this type of dyspathy, antipathy against ethnic minorities is not something that we want to put up with. Yeah, he feels dyspathy towards these type of people. Yeah, he feels antipathy to people like me. Okay, so this is a lack of sympathy. This is hostility, opposition, aversion. Yeah, somebody you really don't like. Yeah, you don't like you don't feel sympathy for this person at all. Yeah, you think they're an unpleasant word. Dyspathy is a rare word. Antipathy is a much more common word. Okay, so dyspathy, lack of sympathy, a strong feeling of dislike, an antipathy to paying tax, yeah, an antipathy between the two groups of football supporters. Yeah, there is particular dyspathy between the fans of certain football teams. Yeah. Okay, the things that he didn't like, the things that were his greatest antipathies, were people complaining, gossip, and cold drafts, for example. Okay, so animosity, enmity, hostility, rancor. Yeah, there was a great deal of antipathy between the two men. Let's see, there was a lot of antipathy during the Cold War between the Soviet Union and America. I get the feeling there's a lot of antipathy between Mr. Biden and Mr. Bush. Yeah, I'm sorry, and Mr. Trump. I think they don't like each other at all. So, antipathy. Yeah, they really don't like each other. Dyspathy. Yeah, they feel dyspathy. So, dyspathy. Notice, this dyspathy is a noun, uncountable noun. Dyspathetic, yeah, antipathic as an adjective. Okay, so antipathy between people. I have a lot of antipathy, hostility, disgust, dislike for that place. Okay, it's something that I don't like. I have a strong aversion to it. Okay, so dyspathy and antipathy. Let's see, dyspathy, unusual word. 7.5 in formality. Antipathy, 6.5 in formality. Antipathy, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Dyspathy, semi-formal or formal writing only. Okay, and then let's see, as to origin, okay, dyspathy, dus, difficult, bad, hard. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, they don't a hard feeling against. Antipathy. Yeah, anti in itself, against as well. Okay, so you feel dyspathy or antipathy. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dyspathy, antipathy.